I've made it to the bed and breakfast house. It looks nice. Oh, the B&B host must be a shepherd. A lot of... This is just a small storage house.
You must be the researcher coming to see if that build site is free from any archaeological artifacts.
Yep, that's me. The plane ride was long. I'm ready to rest up before I get to work.
It's nice to meet you. Welcome to my bed and breakfast. Come on in. Your room is right up the stairs. Come and meet me in the dining area after you've settled in. I wanted to ask you if you know anything about the Huldufólk.
Huldufólk? What's that about?
Mean creatures that roam certain spots of this island. They are very territorial and will do anything to keep people away from their land. Didn't the builders that hired you tell you of these creatures?
No, they didn't. But this is a joke, right?
Oh no, no joke at all. It is well known to the Faroese people that these creatures exist. But these builders that hired you, they don't seem to be aware of the Huldufólk. They must be foreigners.
Well, you're right on that. The builders are from the US. They want to build a hotel here. But let's say these Huldufólk are real. How would you get rid of them?
You can't. If you find out the build site is filled with Huldufólk, you must stop the build project, and you must stay away from the site. The creatures are invisible, and they can reveal themselves at will. Sometimes you can capture them on film too.
How can I tell if Huldufólk live there?
Keep a lookout for holes and mounds where they live in. Dirt circles on the ground indicate a Huldufólk was there digging for worms. And if there is a machine on site that is damaged, there could have been Huldufólk activity.
Okay, sure. I will take your advice then.
I'm only warning you. There's a common misconception about Huldufólk. Most people think they are not dangerous, but that isn't the case. I've had my encounters with the creatures before, and they don't like to be bothered. They have also taken some of my sheep.
I appreciate your warning, and your hospitality. Now I must go lay down a bit. I'm tired. It's about time I take a drive in the build site so I can survey it. Okay, it's time to start taking some photos and notes. This looks like it was built a long time ago. There's also a weird artifact on the image. Maybe the camera is dirty. Odd circles of dirt. Are there any animals living here? Maybe Huldufólk. There's nobody here. A damaged radiator. This needs some repairing. There's also another artifact on my photo. Damn camera. A pile of rocks could be the doing of people from hundreds of years ago. But more than likely it's just been currently placed here by travelers or workers. Okay, this could be Huldufólk.